Marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers is called as digital marketing. Various forms of digital media. Now, let us take a look at some examples of digital advertising, which includes YouTube videos, email ads, bulk SMS campaigns, business website ads, social media mentions, banner ads, etc. It is a difficult task to figure out which type of digital marketing is suitable for your business. Shown on screen are some of the most common digital marketing types used these days. Let us begin with display advertising. Display advertising is a form of an online advertising that conveys a commercial message in the form of text, animations, videos, photographs, etc. Digital banners, digital posters, digital kiosk are some of the examples of display advertising. Search marketing is the process of gaining website traffic by purchasing ads on search engines. Google AdWords, Bing Ads, and Yahoo Search Ads are some of the key examples of search marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. SMM is a form of internet marketing that utilizes social media platforms and websites to promote a product or services. The social networking websites such as Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, and YouTube are commonly used in SMM. Mobile advertising is a form of advertising via cell phones, smartphones, and other handheld devices. Email, SMS, and MMS and mobile applications are some of the most common delivery channels used for mobile marketing. Content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. Blog or guest posts, images, infographics, videos, and case studies are some of the key examples of content marketing. Analytics marketing refers to the process of quantifying impressions, clicks, conversions that digital ads generate. Analytics is the art of evaluating digital advertising effectiveness and performances. This brings us to the end of this module. Let us summarize the essence of this module. Marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers is called as digital marketing. The different types of digital marketing are display advertising, search marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing or SMM, mobile advertising, content marketing, and analytics marketing.